Hey kid, Ty here. If you are looking for a solid video tutorial about how to build up a mission for Reforger, I guess YouTube right now, 2024, is not the only way, even the best way to do that, and I will tell you why. Reforger is a young game. It's 2 year old. It's super young. And if you know Arma, you know Arma needs a lot of time to get mature. And Bohemia is dropping a major update each 3 months, 4 months, and this is good. I'm not complaining really. But if you want to learn how to build a mission painless, man, check this link down below. Is a tutorial in forums of Bohemia. And this is perfect because a text can be updated not just for me, but the whole but with the whole community can just copy and paste and keep the work on if I'm not doing the a good work over there. So of course, keep watching the Reforger YouTubers here on YouTube right now because the guys are doing a pretty good work about uh, how the features of Road Editor 2 works. And yeah, that's it. It's just a quick tip for you that are starting um, make your first mission. So that's it.